I was headed out the door to pick up some supplies for a future video, and the FedEx man was there with a new box. Got some cool new tech in the mail today. So I got my supplies. Let's go home and see what we got. Okay, here it is. I think I ordered this, I don't know, the end of last week. May 15th, the day it came out. So I'm pretty sure I know what this is. So let's cut into it and find out. All right, the Osmo Action by DJI. So hopefully not only will this give me some better action shots, so kind of an upgrade from the GoPro doing action shots, but even in the studio, as it were. So dun, dun, dun. There it is. Sweet. We'll have to put this to the test with some new videos that we're putting out. It's got a front-facing screen and a rear-facing screen, and these are both touch screens. So neat. And then I can get some extra filters from Polar Pro because those are starting to come out. And helmet mount. Must be the battery. There's a quick release mount. And a charging cable, so kind of standard USB-C charging cable. Sweet. Okay, well, we'll get it fully charged up, make sure it's charged properly, and put it to good use here on the channel. Okay, well, this is the picture and the audio from the new Osmo action camera. Better? Well, let's hope so. Not the next video, but probably the one after that will certainly incorporate some of this footage. Anyway, getting new tech, new gear for the channel. I hope you guys like it. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and make sure to ring the bell so that you get notifications when they're updated. Thanks.